Imagine you're looking up at the night sky, gazing at the stars. Suddenly you notice something strange. It looks like a new star has appeared, twinkling in the distance. There are strange, invisible black holes drifting through our galaxy right now, and one day they could pass by our solar system. Here's what you need to know about these cosmic time machines and what would happen if one hits too close to home. You're excited, maybe it's a comet or a shooting star. But as you continue to stare, your excitement turns to fear. The rogue black hole is still thousands of light years away. In 2020, scientists estimated that there could be as many as 40 million rogue black holes wandering through the galaxy, most of them much more massive than our sun. And it's not just our solar system that could be at risk. Rogue black holes could pose a serious threat to entire star systems. If one entered a star system and began destabilizing planets, it could potentially destroy an entire civilization. But because it's completely invisible, it's a terrifying reminder that space is full of unknown dangers. If a black hole ever passed through our solar system, here's what could happen. First, the gravitational effects would be felt throughout the solar system. Planets would be thrown out of orbit. Asteroid impacts would increase. The sun itself would move, depending on its size and proximity to the black hole. Then the real danger would begin for any planet that got too close. The black hole's gravity would start to tear it apart. The closer it got, the worse it would get. Eventually, a planet would cross the event horizon, the point of no return. It would be sucked into the black hole and crushed out of existence. The twinkling becomes a pulsing, then a growing darkness. The star has become a black hole. It's huge, ominous, and it's getting bigger. In fact, astronomers can only detect those already close enough to us to distort light from distant stars. Let me know in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss an amazing space story. The nearest candidate of V616 MAN is about 3,000 light-years away. However, we still have very little understanding of black holes, especially when it comes to the distribution of their masses. As a result, it's hard to predict how dangerous they could be. It seems to be sucking in everything around it, light, matter, even space and time itself. Then you realize with horror that it's moving this way, heading directly for you. That might sound like a scene from an apocalyptic movie, but it's actually a terrifying reality. What is a rogue black hole? Most black holes stay put, lurking silently at the center of galaxies or where massive stars collapse. But a rogue black hole is different. It's been kicked out of its original galaxy, often by a collision or gravitational disruption. Now it's wandering the universe alone, invisible and unstoppable. One such black hole, BHV, is currently moving through the Milky Way. It's traveling at a speed of over 3 million kilometers per hour, fast enough to go from Earth to the Moon in just 5 minutes. How scientists found it. Here's the crazy part. Black holes don't emit light. So how do we see one moving through space? In 2022, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope noticed something strange. Light from a very distant star was bending around something in space, creating multiple images of the star. This is gravitational lensing. A massive object was distorting space-time, warping and magnifying the light from objects behind it. But there was nothing there. Or rather, there was a black hole. After years of study, scientists concluded that a stellar-massed black hole, around 7 times the mass of our sun, was traveling alone through the Milky Way. It had likely been drifting for millions of years completely undetected until now. Should we be worried? Thankfully, not yet. And don't worry, it's not just far-fetched science fiction. It could happen. Thankfully, there's no evidence of any rogue black holes heading towards us anytime soon. What do you think? Are you more afraid of aliens or black holes?